Welcome to Cronos Technical Review, your trusted source for daily CRO market analysis, charts, and technical insights. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be considered financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Any price analysis, predictions, or market insights shared in this video are based on personal opinions and publicly available data. I am not responsible for any financial losses you may incur based on the information provided. Invest responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Today's focus is on Cronos, a token that continues to play a significant role in the broader digital asset ecosystem. Currently, Cronos is trading 0.09833, supported by a 24-hour volume of 14.19 million and a market capitalization of $3.67 billion, giving it a market dominance of 0.12%. Over the last 24 hours, the price has slipped by minus 2.3%, signaling short-term weakness that aligns with the Fear and Greed Index, which is sitting at 29, clearly reflecting market fear and a lack of immediate bullish momentum. Despite this, Cronos has a long history of dramatic highs and deep corrections. Its all-time high of 0.9598, achieved on November 24, 2021, marked a defining peak for the ecosystem, while its all-time low of 0.01151 on December 17, 2018, highlighted the early volatility of its market. Even after the 2021 run, CRO experienced a cycle low of 0.04882, before climbing to a cycle high of 0.3859, showing that the token remains capable of significant movement wherever market conditions strengthen. The supply dynamics further shape its behavior. 37.36 billion CRO are currently circulating out of a maximum supply of 100 billion, with a notably high inflation rate of 40.61%, meaning 10.79 billion new tokens entered the supply within the past year. In terms of rankings, Cronos solidifies its presence by standing number 4 among exchange tokens and number 12 among ERC20 assets, underlining its relevance in both centralized and decentralized environments. Recent performance, however, has leaned bearish. Over the last month, CRO has dropped 24.33%, while also losing ground against major assets, down 12.51% versus Ethereum and 11.91% versus Bitcoin. Historically, the token has shown both explosive potential and severe corrections. Its strongest year occurred in 2021, when CRO skyrocketed by 853.72%, whereas 2022 marked its toughest period with a sharp 89.97% decline. Looking across its 8-year lifespan, Cronos has averaged an impressive 146.58% annual growth, typically performing exceptionally well in the first quarter, achieving an average 67.60% gain, while the second quarter tends to be its weakest, averaging a modest 1.79% increase. Examining this data across different years reveals the token's wide price variance, from 0.5778 in 2021 to 0.02896. in 2009-06 in 2019, showcasing how dramatically CRO responds to market cycles, macro events, and sentiment shifts. Today, Cronos is actively traded across 50 cryptocurrency exchanges, including major platforms like KuCoin and Kraken, with $14.19 million in liquidity moving in the last 24 hours. For new buyers, many exchanges provide step-by-step guides on how to safely acquire CRO, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced investors. Originally launched as Crypto.com coin, Cronos has transformed significantly over the years. Its evolution into the native token of the Cronos blockchain expanded its utility far beyond its original branding. CRO now powers transaction fees, contributes to network security through staking, and fuels a variety of decentralized finance applications. This rebranding was more than a cosmetic shift. It represented Cronos' broader ambition to support global access to decentralized digital economies, bridge users into Web3, and solidify its long-term vision within both the DeFi and centralized exchange landscapes. With ongoing development, ecosystem growth, and increasing real-world use cases, Cronos continues to position itself as a meaningful player in the future of blockchain-powered finance. Let me know in the comments where you think Cronos is heading next. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon for daily Cronos updates and in-depth crypto analysis.